Snow, the crystalline form of rainfall, brings many problems. Covered in snow, vitally important arterial roads become impassable and international traffic junctions are closed. Intrac 2011 is a new generation of vehicles for clearing snow from passes, roads and airfields. The advantage of the vehicle and a rotary snowblower, a luxury safety cab with windows all round, a hydrostatically driven, high-powered rotary snowblower. It is easy to get into through the wide sliding door. The working position is comfortable. Ignition is assured even at minus 30 degrees centigrade. The air-cooled Deutz always starts. The prime mover is the reliable air-cooled Deutz V8 diesel engine F8L 413 with an output of 236 DIN horsepower at 2,300 revs per minute. The engine is situated above the rear axle and thereby provides an excellent balance of weight for the front-mounted rotary snowblower. The transfer gearbox for driving the hydraulic pump of the hydrostatic vehicle drive is connected by flanges to the engine. The axle drive is effected via two universal joint shafts. The axles are equipped with differential locks. The hydrostatic drive of the rotary snowblower has a priority control. Power to the blower always takes precedence, while the vehicle speed adjusts itself automatically to the demands of the situation. The tracked vehicle has a pump and a motor for each track. The motor is situated directly adjacent to the final drive. Operation is simple. Selection of travelling direction by means of the direction lever, and selection of continuously variable travelling speeds. New approaches have also been made in the undercarriage design of the tracked vehicle. Particularly for the task of snow clearing, special value has been laid on lightweight construction, low maintenance requirements, and good track shoe design. The road wheels, support rollers, and idler wheels are maintenance-free. The speed is adjustable in two stages, 0 to 6 kilometers an hour and 0 to 10 kilometers an hour. The speed is continuously variable in forward and reverse drive. For turning maneuvers in the smallest spaces, the two tracks can be made to turn in opposite directions by means of a foot control. The speed of Intrac 2011 with wheel drive is also adjustable in two stages, 0 to 11 kilometers an hour and 0 to 25 kilometers an hour. The speed is continuously variable from the minimum working speed of 0.3 kilometers an hour to the highest speed of each respective gear. No gear changing, no clutch operation, and therefore full concentration of the driver on the working implement. Gradients of up to 90% can be climbed. The vehicle is simple to operate by means of hydrostatic steering with steering wheel, and this is also the case with the tracked vehicle. The turning radius is only 7 meters. The maximum angle of turn is 40 degrees. The banking turn is up to 30 degrees. The heavy-duty rotary snowblower is also fully hydraulic. Here we see the banking turn being set, lifting up to 300 millimeters from the ground. dipping the blower forwards up to 10 degrees. The Intrac 2011 proves its operational efficiency by opening up a pass in the high mountains. The continuously variable fully hydrostatic drive with priority control means the highest possible clearing efficiency of up to 3,000 cubic meters of snow per hour, depending on the hardness of the snow. Priority control of power output between the rotary snow blower and the vehicle drive means that the power to the blower takes precedence over that required for the vehicle drive. The driver can give his full concentration to the work in hand. For road travel, the vehicle's top speed of 25 kilometers an hour is of obvious advantage. The instruments and operating levers are situated to the left and to the right within the driver's range of vision and easily accessible. One engine is sufficient for driving the vehicle and the rotary snowblower, with the air-cooled V8 Deutz diesel engine providing an output of 236 DIN horsepower. The ultimate in mobile heavy-duty rotary snowblowers has been realized. The rear-mounted engine means a good view forwards and backwards. The rear mounting of the engine also means that engine noise is kept away from the driver's cab and engine maintenance is simplified. Forward movement is controlled automatically and smoothly in accordance with the power requirements of the rotary snowblower. The driver only needs to intervene when he wishes to reverse. There is sufficient power reserve for maximum performance. The drive choke can be used to set a constant driving speed, subject to the working of the priority control. The blower has a clearing capacity to a depth of 1.3 meters in the case of old snow and 1.7 meters in the case of new snow, and a breadth of up to 2.3 meters. Adjustment of the throwing range of the rotary snowblower is continuously variable in accordance with operating conditions. By altering the rotary snowblower drum, a throwing range of up to a maximum of 25 meters can be achieved. On the right is a supplementary hydraulic control unit, easily accessible to the driver. This unit controls, for example, the discharge stack, which can be swiveled through 360 degrees. The compact design of the Intrac 2011 signifies an optimum coordination of performance, dimension and weight. The clearing breadth of 2.3 meters is 300 millimeters greater than the breadth of the vehicle itself. A wheelbase of 2.6 meters provides optimum maneuverability. This new vehicle concept has a modern working position and good visibility all round. Hydraulic switching on of the all-wheel drive. Easy adjustment of the working implement. Good control of throwing activity on the left. And a perfect view of the working implement and front wheel to the right. There is maximum output in the toughest conditions. Clearly arranged controls and instruments, heating, ventilation, and a comfortable seat which is adjustable in accordance with the weight of the driver lead to the driving and working comfort of the Intrac 2011. Deutz in Cologne, one of the leading engineering firms in the Federal Republic of Germany. During the over 100-year history of the engine, dating back to Nikolaus August Otto, the founder of KHD, research and further development have always received first place. Intrac 2011 is one of the results of successful engineering. Deutz is the world's largest manufacturer of air-cooled diesel engines. In one of the most modern engineering works in the world, approximately 150,000 air-cooled Deutz diesel engines are built every year. The outstanding characteristics of these engines are excellent cold starting, low fuel consumption, long life, and low maintenance costs. Air-cooled Deutz diesel engines are installed in trucks and in thousands of building machines. Intrac 2011, the new generation of vehicle for the clearing of snow from passes, roads and airfields. Supplied with track or wheel drive, special characteristics include the absolutely safe and comfortable cabin, one engine for vehicle and blower, continuously variable fully hydrostatic drive with priority control, and the air-cooled Deutz V8 diesel engine with 236 DIN horsepower output. With a snow clearing capacity 30 to 50% higher than that of mechanically driven vehicles, the economic advantages of the Intrac 2011 have been proved beyond doubt.